friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new 2021 Honda SP125. This is BS6 vehicle of 2021 and very attractive features has been added on this vehicle and very family vehicle for the Indians. So let's start the video. So friends, here you can see all the LED treatments on these headlights in 2021 vehicle. Coming to side, here you can see the telescopic shock absorbers as given in the front suspension. Very stiffery side, some disappointing of that, and the mudguard is very nice and neat finish of the tire. And coming to the front tire profile, comes the 18 inches, and the tire wheel comes to the 18 inches with the alloy wheel. The front has a disc brake on offer with the disc size comes to the 240 mm of disc size. No ABS on offer in this vehicle, and alloy wheels with the tubeless tires and radial tires has been added to this front, and the alloy wheels are very nice and attractive look in the black matte finish. The tire is massive enough of this vehicle. So coming to here, you can see the detail of the build quality is very nice on this vehicle. Honda SP, it's an older generation vehicle coming to it's a platform from the shine of the Honda, and it has become to the SP125 in the red treatment, and the graphics on the treatment is very nice, and it's a fuel injection vehicle. Coming to here, you can see the engine placements come to the air cooled engine on offer with a 4-stroke SI engine. The displacement of the engine comes with the 124cc engine with a 10.8 PS of power at 7500 rpm and 10.9 Nm of torque at 6000 rpm. So it's a single cylinder air cooled engine of this vehicle, and footpegs are very nice build quality, and the chrome finish on the silencer is very nice on offer with the detail. And coming to the rear suspension, comes with the monopoly shock absorbers at the rear, and also the suspension comes with the stiffery side on offer. And coming to other side of the engine, chain drive on offer, kick and self start dual option as given in this vehicle with the fuel injection on this BS6 vehicle. Multi weight clutch has been added to this vehicle, and also 5-speed manual transmission. And coming to the rear tires, the rear tires comes with the 18 inches, no difference between front and the rear. The space between the tire pressure and body level is massive enough, and the detail you can see the very nice finished on this tire, so that in the bumps the easily it will be space used on the under the seat is very nice. Practicality is more on this vehicle, the Indian practicality I can say. So coming to alloy wheels also same as rear, and tire profile is also 18 inches at the rear. And coming to rear also radial tires has been given on offer. And coming to other side rear, coming to the rear profile, all LOGs has been given some disappointing, no LED treatments on offer. Number plate position is given here with reflected. The quality is very nice, plastics has been used on this vehicle. And coming to the engine placements, and 50 mm of bore and 63.1 mm of stroke, and side guard is very nice on offer. Build quality is very nice, and the plastics has been used on this side guard finish, so that the weights has been reduced on these decent ideas. And also coming to the comparison ratio of the vehicle, comes the 10:0:1 in this BS6 vehicle. And coming to additional features of the vehicle, comes with the combi brake on offer with the standard modes. So there are two variants on offer on this vehicle, deluxe and standard. Standard comes with the combi brake on offer, very nice of that. And service to indicator has been given in the instrument cluster, very nice of additional. And pillion holder has been given here, single seat on offer, but comfort level is very nice for a long journeys. Trust me that this is a successful vehicle running towards the Indian market. And also color treatments has additionally added on this vehicle with the 4 colors. And here you can see the fuel lid and fuel capacity comes with 11 liters on offer, and the wide enough of handlebars, also side view mirrors is a new look. Engine kill switch with the self start button is advanced feature on this vehicle with a single switch. Coming to left side handlebars, same as routine as indicators or an I-beam and low beam and passenger switch as given in the left side handlebars. And wet multi clutch is additional feature I can say on this vehicle, BS6 vehicle. Coming to the chassis of the vehicle, comes with the diamond type of chassis, and body type comes with the commuter body bikes, and suspension comes with the telescopic front, and rear comes with the hydraulic monopoly shock absorbers with a 5-way adjustable manually. And also with the instrument cluster, lot of features has been added like odometer, trip meter and speedometer, gear indication, fuel indication and neutral indication. Limit of light has been added in the small size of instrument cluster. The dimensions of the vehicle comes with the length of 2020 mm, breadth of 785 mm, height of the vehicle comes with the 1003 mm, the saddle height is 790 mm. The ground clearance is basic as 160 mm, decent enough of ground clearance on this vehicle. Wheelbase comes with the 1285 mm and weight of the vehicle comes with the 118 kgs of this SP Shine 125, and fuel tank capacity I have said already 11 liters, and weight is also decent enough on this vehicle. So battery type comes with the 12 watts and 5 amps with a decent size of battery has been given in this vehicle. So another additional feature is silent start with the ACG engine has been given producers on this vehicle, and also gear position indicator with the ECO indicators has been given in this vehicle of Shine SP 125 of BS6 vehicle. So coming to the tire pressure is also very decently done, and also the tire pressure is very important on these vehicles. Like front TPS comes with the 25 psi and rear tire pressure comes with the 33 psi with the pillion also with the driver position. And coming to the price of the vehicle is slightly higher side as per my opinion, and also for our reviewers has been said the price comes with the 90,700 with a on road price Hyderabad. So price is some higher side as per my opinion with the comparison of other bikes, and there are a lot of bikes to the comparison of this vehicle at this segment of the bikes, because this is a decent family bike and also accessible to the families in the Indian market, and Indian market has been cruised on this SP 125. And coming to the comparison of these bikes comes with a Splendor Plus and Pulsar 150, Pulsar 125 also, and Honda Shine is a Honda Shine is a basic comparison. Competition, the comparison comes with the Hero Passion Pro in this segment. So there are a lot of 4 to 5 bikes of the comparison of this compare of this Honda SP 125, and Honda brand is very nicely maintained, and also the low cost of service cost, and also the maintenance of the bike comes with a low cost. So that is the additional feature of this Honda SP 125. I can say the mileage of the vehicle comes with a 36 to 45 kilometers per liter as per my opinion, and I did all the test drive of the vehicle on this. So as per my result, the mileage comes with the 36 to 45 kilometers per liter. Overall, the Honda SP 125 powered by the 124cc air cooled engine which produces the power, and 10.9 Newton meters of torque at 6000 rpm is massive enough on this vehicle. So overall, this is a walk around of this SP 125. So let's go to test drive and see how it is performing. So guys, this is the test drive of Honda SP 125cc engine. So exactly a 124cc engine, sorry for that. So very smooth compared to older generation of Shine. This engine is very smooth and very refined engine. The RPM meter is soon raving. It has 124cc engine, 10.3 bhp of power at 7500 rpm and 10.3 Newton meters of torque at 5500 rpm at 10.3 both, and very equalizer vehicle, and the comparison ratio of the vehicle is 9:2:1. The fuel capacity of the vehicle is 10 liters, massive enough for 10 liters of this Shine compared to older generation Shine. This is SP vehicle. Now the Shine name has been removed to this vehicle and it has been become SP 125 vehicle. The color treatment on the vehicle is very nice. So now turning radius is too short, easily you can handle in city rides. Also in the street rides, very easy to handle, and the mileage of the vehicle is, you are going to shock now because the mileage of the vehicle is 65 kilometers per liter. Massive enough. On these days in 2021 BS6 vehicle, 65 kilometers per liter of this mileage is only you get in SP 125. And also you get Eco Power mode, massive enough of Eco mode in the city rides is very smooth, and mileage and fuel injection of this vehicle also you get more mileage. So lot of, if you are traveling for city rides daily from morning to evening, so if you are a delivery boy or if you have a traveling of this Swiggy or Zomato or etc brands, so definitely you can go to this vehicle of SP 125. You get best mileage and brakes are too good. Front as disc brake and rear is a drum brake, both combination brakes, don't worry at all, and you get single channel ABS also you won't get. And and it's a decent size of price segment of this decent price segment. Please go and check the description of price of the showroom details I have been added. And the one of the best feature is this massive instrument cluster. This is very small now, but lot of information has been showing while riding. And you get speedometer is very huge, and gear indication on this vehicle is too advanced, I can say, because in city rides you may forward the gears of the shifting, and you get gear indication on this vehicle is too good of nice display on the gear indication. And side view mirrors are large enough. Coming to handlebars, massive size of handlebars, massive enough of handlebars, and the position of handlebars are too good. No stress feeling in the city rides. The comfort levels are too nice. Easily you can travel for 100 kilometers daily in the city because no stress level in driving of this vehicle. Beautiful comfort levels, I can say. And the position of the driver position is very nice, and the pillion position is also very nice. The suspension is also too good. Front has telescopic and rear has monopoly shock absorbers. So easily you can maneuver it in the city rides, no doubt at all. And after crossing the 35 speed, after crossing the 35 speed, automatic eco mode has been going to on. Only single mode on offer on this. So because recent of this 124cc engine, so fuel tank is also massive in a fuel capacity, and mileage is too good on this vehicle. And the tire pressure is also, the tire profile is also massive. Both the tires are very good on this vehicle, and nice performance, nice features, nice specifications, nice comfort level, nice shock absorber, nice braking. Everything is nice on this HP 125. You may get lot of competitions in the market, but this vehicle is too good. Very silent. Only some vibrations on foot pegs. Nothing much difference of that. After crossing 60 speed, you may get the vibration, and no doubt at all, no worry at all of the vibrations, no doubt. And easily you can pick up this vehicle of 125cc. You are going to choose and plan in the city rides, definitely they can go. And this is the test drive walk around video of SP 125 Honda. And please visit the Pratal Honda of the, I have added description details showroom, so please go and check that. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So that is the showroom, please go and visit.